Pika Protocol is launching a fair launch of its token. Right here, you'll be able to participate in this token sales and hopefully make money with this. I'm not a financial advisor. Take anything you watch in this video as educational purpose. A decentralized perpetual, so you can trade the crypto and other assets up to 100 leverage on this platform. These are the other assets right here. This is the altcoin. You can see there is Bitcoin, Ethereum over here, and these various top altcoin. So right here, this project will be launching a new token for this project. So for this platform, so I'll be telling you all the information you need to know for you to be able to participate in this token sales. So right there, I'll go to this news and I'll be telling you all only information you need to know about this token sales. We are trying to announce the launch of Pika, the utility token of the Pika protocol. Pika can be staked to access platform trading fees and get trading discounts. Pika is also planned to be gas-free of the future Pika chain built on top of OP stacks. So right here, that's what you need to know about this project. That's a summary. Token generation event is set to take place in May 23, 14 o'clock UTC time, and will be hosted on Pika Protocol Launchpad on Optimistic Network. Last for 4 days. So that's all you need to know about when this is starting on this platform. Pika supply. Pika has a total supply of 100 million of Pika token, and initial sampling supply of 90 million follow the token generation event. 90% token generation event and 30% future platform reward for liquidity provider, trader, and Pika staker. All rewards are distributed as ES Pika, like the rewards over next 3 years. 20% growth funds, exchange liquidity, operation grants, and marketing. 6% is to provide exchange DEX and centralized liquidity after the token generation event, and the rest is nearly harvested over next 3 years. 20% code contributors and advisors harvest nearly over 3 years. Yes, and 11% ring retroactive and funding and drop distribute as ESP Pika. So that's what you need to know about this economics of this project. Token generation event. The Pika token generation event is a completely fair launch, as the project has been a fully step function for the past 2 years without any involvement from VC or any private investor. So right here, this event presents the first and only chance for users to obtain this token distribution. Right there, this is the event details. Platform for you, for where you'll be able to buy this Pika token is Launchpad of Pika Protocol. Start time, May 23, 2 p.m. UTC time. End time, May 26 at 2 p.m. UTC time. Chain, you'll be able to participate this on Optimistic chain and accept deposits. You'll be able to pay Ethereum for you to be able to buy this token. Starting Pika price 0.0002 Ethereum per Pika coin. So 7 million market cap to 37 million FDV, and allocation 90 million Pika token. 90% of total supply. Total max supply is 100 million. Harvesting none. 100% will be unlocked at the end of this token fair launch. And Refire, create and share your Refire link for 2% its bonus on Refire. So as the major information you need to know about this project, Pika token will be distributed at token generation event, third phase, whitelist phase. For the first 24 hours, 5 million Pika token, 5% of supply will be available for whitelist participation at the fixed price of 0.002 at Ethereum. That's 0.37 cents. That's in dollar value. and the FDV of this is going to be $37 million with a market cap of 7 million. Whitelist address will be selected from historical value depositor, trader, and contributor. The allocation of each whitelist depend on the historical activities, and 1 and 3 or Ethereum allocation for each address. So that's what you need to know about this whitelist. Especially on a first come first served basics will be ending if all the allocation is filled. Please note that being whitelisted does not guarantee a spot if the allocation is filled earlier. Public freeze. For the next 47 hours, 40 million Pika tokens, 14% of the supply and the undistributed whitelist allocation are available for the public participation at the stacking price of 0.002 each. That's 0.37 cents. All participation will acquire Pika token at the same rate, calculated based on their contributions, receive amount, deposit its amount, Pika final price. The price will never go above 0.006 and the freeze will end earlier if the price is reached to protect depositor from getting an unexpected price. So claim freeze. Once this event ends and the final price for public freeze is determined, Pika token can be claimed. So that's all you need to know about participating in this token sales. Check this link in the video description for you to understand the whole process, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to be making another video on how to buy this, on how I'm buying this also. Make sure you turn up your notification bell to not miss another video on my channel.